Whether you've been around the online marketing world a while or you're just getting started, you might be asking yourself this question: is email marketing really worth it? Now, I don't want to sit here and make opinions for you, so I'm going to show you some stats and let you make a decision for yourself whether or not you think that email marketing is worth having in place in your business, and we'll see how you feel at the end.
With the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want.
If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh, and I am a certified digital marketing specialist. I actually help people with email marketing, affiliate marketing, and automation. And email marketing, even though there's a lot of hype out there talking about how email's dead, it is still the primary method of communication for most businesses all over the world. Think about some of the biggest brands that you know, and think about what they're doing is they're sending emails. I mean, even myself, I get emails from Home Depot and Best Buy and GameStop all the time because I'm on their email list, because I've been a customer of theirs and they have my email and they just don't seem to go away. But some of them I read, some of them I don't. But either way, so first of all, let's just talk about some quick stats real quick. So email right now in 2022 is estimated at about 4.3 billion users. And by 2025, they're expecting this figure to grow to 4.6 billion users. That's more than half of the world's population that are using email. Now, why is that important? Because if that many people are using email, don't you think you would want to tap into that market? The obvious answer is yes. And so one of the reasons why I've taken such a passion to email marketing is for this reason alone. Anytime somebody wants information about anything, you're always going to ask for their email. You should be building your list consistently and constantly, because that is the only thing you really own as part of your business. So big thing here is there's so many people using email. It is not a dead marketing system. You just got to play a little bit different game these days. So every day there are billions of emails sent. In 2022 alone, the expectation is that 333.2 billion emails are sent each day, and that should probably go up to about 376 billion emails by 2025. Now, again, another important fact, because you want to make sure that you are using email as part of your strategy. And over the last couple years, the actual return on investment for email has been about $42 in return for every dollar you spend on your email marketing. And so when I think about that with my business, I think about what I spend for like my domain and my monitoring apps and my autoresponder. And I actually did the math and I'm kind of right around there, and so as your list grows and you're spending more, generally you should be making more from your email marketing. Now, the good news is that this ROI can be fluctuating as well. You might have good periods and down periods. You're going to have the kind of seasons of ebb and flow. But in reality, that's still a great ROI for email marketing. Still to this day in 2022, 9 out of every 10 marketers are using email to distribute their content. How about that? And let's talk about open rates, right? Everybody talks about open rates like crazy because that's the biggest thing that we track as email marketers. And the average across the board for open rates is about 21%. And welcome emails, the first email that you send out is an average of 82% for an open rate. So that first impression is pretty much your main way to get into someone's inbox and stay in their inbox. So here's the thing, whether you believe that email marketing is for you or whether you would rather just continue doing whatever it is that you're doing and not incorporate email into your business model, that's totally cool. I just wanted to give you some stats that can help you understand that email is still a major player in the game. People are opening emails, people are reading emails, even though, yes, there's a large amount of spam going out there, especially with all of those emails that are being sent. I mean, billions of emails a day. that doesn't mean that you can't hit the inbox. Now, I do have another video that I'm going to link up here for you, and that video goes over actual email deliverability. So if you want to learn how to improve your deliverability and actually reach the inbox with your emails, I highly recommend that you do that and watch that video, because that goes into a whole lot of information as to how you can improve your email deliverability, hit the inbox more often, and be able to honestly make more money with your emails by doing so. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button down below, hit that subscribe button so that way you can get more videos like this on email marketing, affiliate marketing, automation, and also hit the notification bell. That way you're notified when I put out new content like this. So thanks for being here with me, and I'll see you in the next video.